How's it? My name's Ebin. I built this Polo VR6, something one of a kind. I actually started off as a clutch replacement actually on a 20 valve, and I was actually building a Golf 1 caddy for somebody with a VR6, and the engine was actually laying on the floor, and I thought, yeah, let me do this. And I took the engine and tucked it into the twin arms of the car, and I said, no, this is definitely how it's going to happen, and that's how it started. Start building it as VR6 Polo 9N. Got a GT35 on it, got surge tanking, big intercooler, all that stuff. I run about 255 on about 0.6 ball boost, about 440 newtons. So it's, yeah, it's quite decent for what it is.